One more clever small group team building, community building exercise that is more of a concept to take away from here. And then I've got a closing exercise to end with your words rather than mine. So 60 removal. Earlier in our keynote session, I handed 800 school coordinators a question. And these questions came from a deck of cards that had 60 questions in it. And I was invited to work with a group one time that had worked together for a minimum of 6 years. So this is a really close, intact group. They knew each other super, super well, worked together for a long time. Some of them have worked for 20 plus years together. And I laid out all 60 cards, all 60 questions on a table face up. And I gave the group, it was a group of 6 people, I gave the group the task, remove every question that you feel confident you could answer for everybody else in the group. They removed 4 questions. Since then, I have never had a group remove more than 6 questions out of 60. Right, and so it's this idea that you could actually just do that exercise at some point, or that concept of like, you work with people, you feel like you really know them, and I would say that you assume that you really know them because you've learned a small, tiny part of who they are, and then they landed in a box, and that's where they've lived for the last X amount of years of your relationship. But some of their answers to some of these questions would really surprise you. And like some of the questions are, what is a goal you plan on accomplishing in the next year? That'd be really interesting to get somebody to think about that. I mean, I've never even thought about it. So they may come out with a brand new answer, and just speaking that into existence increases the chances that they actually can talk their way into tomorrow. Right? When you speak out an idea like that, it has the ability to edit somebody's tomorrow a little bit.